Hello guys, it's Mortality Gamer YT, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get more lockpicks in Feral. So, to start things off, first what you want to do is go to your world map. There are three lands where you can find lots of lockpicks, the main one being Blood Tundra, the next one being Lake Root Valley, and Mugmire Marsh. Those three lands are where you mainly find lockpicks. Now, I recommend going to Blood Tundra because of Blood Tundra, you can find a lot of holes and lockpicks are found in holes, which makes it a lot easier. However, it is randomized. You could get other items. However, lockpicks are commonly found here. Now, depending on how lucky you are, it could take from 30 seconds to find a lockpick to like 5 minutes. But if you search thoroughly and well, you could probably find one within that not much time. But you gotta look. You gotta like really look. Now, now the question of the day is how are you and what is the animal that you use in Pharaoh mostly? I mainly use Kitsune because Kitsune is my favorite. And look at that, we already found a lockpick. So yeah, it doesn't take much time to find one. Oh, and we found another lockpick. You see what I mean? Oh, you can find lockpicks here very commonly. Oh, another lockpick. Come on. Get that. There you go. Oh, as soon as I say that. Here we go, guys. So we're gonna pick this up. Let's see what we get. Do we get lockpicks or no? No, we get runners. Oh, there it is. 4 lockpicks now. So we had 22 in the beginning. Now we have 26. So 5. Yep, here we go. 5. 27 now. There you go. 6 lockpicks, guys. Look at that. That's 7. And we found another hole. Let's see if we can get some lockpicks. No, we get star fragments, which I'll take it. That's that. Ooh, 8. Yeah. So I'm gonna go try and find 10. I'm gonna go up to 32 because I want to show you that I want to show you that finding lockpicks is actually a very easy thing to do. A lot of people just try to stick the one land instead of going to multiple. Like that's not what you want to do. You want to go to multiple lands. Like, and the three I recommended in the beginning, just to make sure people remember: Lake Route, Mugmire, Blood Tundra, because these are the main places you can find them. Now, I usually find them in Blood Tundra, but today I'm finding more in Mugmire, which is kind of weird because normally it's the opposite. Normally I find like 5 or 6 in Blood Tundra, but I think it's kind of the opposite. Now it's in Mugmire, but I'm not complaining. I got lockpicks. All right, let's try and find. I'm gonna look a little more, and then I'm gonna go to Lake Group. And if we don't find two more, oh, as soon as I say that, one more, because I'm just trying to get 10. You know what I mean? For now, I'll just look a bit longer, and if we don't find one, we'll just go to Lake Group. Oh, found a hole. See if you get lockpicks. No, we get some berries though. Very nice. Oh, you know what? Should I go Lake Group? I mean, I did say 10, but I mean, I kind of no, I showed enough. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And also subscribe to my brother, Seahawks. We're trying to get him to 10 subscribers by the end of next month.